Hi, I'm Andy Parr, and you're watching The Gadget Guru. If you scroll back in my archives just a few months, hey, I'll even put a link up here for you. You'll probably remember that I did an unboxing and review, a two-part series, on this product right here. This is the Red Power Bike's Red Mini. Now, what makes this bike unique is that it's an electric bike, it has pedal assist, and you can ride like a regular bike with pedals, but it also folds pretty compact, and it has fat tires. Let me go in and fast forward to the ending here. I've been using this for a few months and I like it, but if you remember, this thing came in a jumbo box, and getting it assembled, well, it was a little frustrating. Bottom line, it's good. Now, take a look at this box over here. Notice how much smaller it is? Well, inside is a product that I found at the recent Super Show in Tampa, and it's called the Jupiter bike. So stay tuned, because when I come back, we're going to open it up. We're going to see if this one's easier to put together than this one. And that starts right now on the Gadget Guru. While I had heard of Jupiter bike, I'd never seen one up in person. And that's until I was perusing the aisles over at the Tampa Super Show just a few weeks ago. Now, I did take a little ride on it, and I said, this thing's cute. Well, after I got home a week or so later, I said, you know, because of the size, and this thing folds much smaller than the Red Mini. In fact, I could probably get 3 of these in the space of one Red Mini in the storage compartment on my bus. Heck, it even fit on the old flexible Starliner. I figured, you know, let's give it a shot. Now, this thing retails for about $900, and I will tell you, if you see them at shows, or if you like them on Facebook, occasionally, like any other company, they do have some discounts out there. And let me add, I did pay for this. This is not a freebie. Let's see if I like it. Okay, I don't know what I'm facing into. I'm sure this thing's going to be heavily edited. I'm not going to make you watch me go through every piece. So let's get started. I have a knife. It has sharp edges. Let's open the box. Looking at the box, I think we have to open it this way. You know, the last thing I'm going to do is have all the parts come out. Is there another piece of tape I'm missing? Oh, no, it's going to go this way. Okay. Again, I don't rehearse my unboxings. I just kind of do it. Now, I believe it weighs about 35 pounds in the box. Okay, of course, you got to start from that. This is it. Now, remember, he said, you know, if you watch that video, that this thing folds up to the size of a pizza box. Well, let me tell you, it's heavy. I'm going to guess it's at least 30 pounds. I'm not going to put it on the scale. But this is what it looks like folded. I assume that's the seat right here. Here's a battery charger. There's an Allen wrench over here. So let's go and get started. You know me and instructions. Let's see how they are here. You know, I'm just a stickler for good instructions are included. Look, that says do not pull. I'm not going to pull that. Okay, we're just going to lay it down. There's an operational manual here. I see a fuse in here. I don't know what that means, but we'll find out. So let me take a minute and read. Okay, just flipping open the book. They have a structural diagram. I don't know if you can see that. And it has some specifications. Let me go and give you those right now. The wattage, 240 watts. It uses a lithium battery. 2 hours for a full charge. The maximum charge voltage is 48 volts. It has an auto shut-off full charge. I assume that means that it stops charging when it's full. The motor is a brushless hub. The charger input is 100 to 240 VAC. The maximum distance on a full charge is 15 miles. The maximum speed is 20 miles per hour. And the maximum weight to ride on this is 220 pounds. I gotta tell you, this is small. Wait till you see it. You know, the whole 220, I weigh a lot less than that. Let's see how that goes. Okay, now, here's what's interesting. It says assembly required. No. Now, granted, I know I'm going to have to charge it up, but unfolding's required. And if you saw that video, you know, the guy doing the demo, the guy with the factory here, you know, he just zip-zap, and I told him, you know, it gave me a headache of all the things you have to do here. But I'm looking through here, and there's 18 steps. So again, through the magic of editing, let's see if I can do this without boring you to tears. Now, this is a seat, I'm assuming, so we're going to put that aside for now. Unfolding the bike. Step 1. It says, here's the bike in the folded state, and they show it standing up. Let me see if I can duplicate that. No, I think it's like this. Where's those pedals? Okay. Okay, now I'm matching this. Here's the bike in the folded state. Lift up the handlebar assembly. Now, I'm assuming this is the handlebar assembly. And it says secure handlebar assembly with the handlebar lock. Now, I'm assuming that's go like this. Again, I don't know how much of this you can see. I'll zoom in if I can. Okay, we got that. Hey, we're already on step 3. Step 4, make sure the top quick release is open. Is that this? Okay, that's the top quick release is open. Lift both handlebars. Okay, and push the handlebars toward the center of the post. Okay, you saw that. Close top quick release lock to secure handlebars in position. Here we go. Okay, that seems to have worked. That took a little bit of effort, but you know, that's a good thing. I don't want it falling apart when I'm driving. Okay, we're already through step 7, so we're almost halfway there. It says remove the seat. Well, I'm assuming this is the seat. This has already been removed. So I'll put this back down here. Unfold the frame. Let's hope this isn't where it gets complicated. Unfold the frame. So I guess this is where we do, where does this hinge? Or is this locked? There has to be a lock here, and it's not telling me how to unlock this. Because hold on, let me just see if that folds. Nope. That says unlocked. That says, oh, you know why? We have a little twist tie or a tie down here, a zip tie. Let's cut this off. That's why it wasn't doing it. Okay, add a step 2 instructions. Remove zip ties in case you have no common sense like me. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this over here. Okay, and then unfold the frame. Here, I'll do it this way so you can see this hinge. Unfold the frame. Lock the frame hinge lock. Okay, that's here. There, you heard that snap. I like a good positive lock. It says, use handlebars to turn the front wheel out from the frame. I guess that means first we have to drop the pedals. Skit, they didn't have that in the instruction book. Again, common sense here. Okay, so now it says use handlebars. Let me get that again. It says use handlebars to turn out the front wheel from the frame. I'm assuming this is the front. Oh, here we go. Got to lift it up a little bit. Okay, now that's down there. Okay, lower the front wheel. Okay, I have this here, so that's lowered. You know, it really helps having this thing elevated up. Lock the front wheel with the front wheel quick release. And I'm assuming that is this over here. Let's see how this locks. Okay, hold on. Okay, I guess, okay, I'm thinking we have to go like this. I'm trying not to hit my head. No, that doesn't make sense here because it's not locking. There, maybe like this. Let's get it down like here and then turn this up. And get it just straight in there. Okay, that's snapped in. That feels pretty good there. This is like anything else. The first time you do it, it's going to take a while. I assume, well, as we said in the video, it's going to take 5 or 6 times for this to become second nature. Okay, that's step 13 out of 18. We're almost there. Okay, turn front wheel straight. Okay, do the similar steps and turn out the rear wheel from the frame and lower it. Let me see if I can get this. We might have to be putting this on the ground in a minute. Okay, we're going to turn out the wheel. Okay, it is in an unlocked position. Let's just go like this. Okay, here we go here. We're going to turn this out. Oops. I'm going to do here. I'm going to do the table like this. That way, how's that? How's that for innovative thinking? Okay, now we're going to do the same thing here. Put that all the way in there. And it's in. Okay, let me just double check this one because I felt a little bit different quick there. Okay. That's one. Yeah, that one, I don't know if I had it all the way in. So you have to push that bolt all the way in before you go up. Okay. Here, let me pick up my garbage here. Okay, let's see where we are here. Lock the rear wheel with the rear wheel quick release. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, I think we have that. 17. Turn the rear wheel straight. Lock the back axle with the rear lock. Okay, now this is, I assume like that. This is a locking. Is that locked? You know, this wheel you want to turn. This wheel you want to be straight. If I read the website correctly, the motor's here, rear wheel drive. Up front is a lithium battery. Charging port's over here. And by the way, lime green. I wanted to get the white one. They didn't have that on their website. They had this or orange. I figured the lime green will let me be seen by others easier. Kind of like wearing a reflective vest if you're, directing traffic. Okay, we have locked the rear wheel. Now, turn the rear wheel straight. Lock the back axle with the rear axle lock. Accomplished. Lower the footrest. And attach seat by pressing down. Okay. Now, we already lowered the footrest because remember, we had to do that to get this out. Now, let's get the seat. Tiny little seat. Okay, now let me read this again. Attach seat by pressing down until it locks into place. Now, which way does it go? Like this? Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, congratulations, you're done. Now let's go over. For charging, let me just go through some basics here. Again, I'm going to read this while I'm doing this. This is your throttle here. This is your brake here. Now, it doesn't use a caliper brake. From what I understand, when there's a charge in here, you cannot accelerate and brake at the same time. When you let off the accelerator and you hit the brake, it kind of reverses the brushless motor, and that's what brings you to a stop. Tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to put it on the ground so you can see what she looks like in a riding position. Okay. Now, first thing let me point out, I'm only 5'6" tall, but I got to tell you, sitting here looks like you have plenty of knee room when you're on here. And again, it's called the Jupiter bike. Let me point out, this isn't a bike. It doesn't have pedals. This is more like an electric scooter that has a seat and handlebars. So it's a cute name, Jupiter bike. And you got to admit, this thing does fold small. There's one more very important factor, and if you take nothing away from this video other than this, whether you're riding this, that Rad Power, or any kind of bike, or any kind of scooter, anything like that, we're on the roadway, always wear the appropriate helmet. I'm sorry, I came from the motorcycle world. This is the most important accessory you'll ever get for this, or any other, two-wheel vehicle or open cage vehicle such as this, or non-cage vehicle. Here's what we're going to do. This is going to be a 2-parter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go get her charged up in part 2, and I'll put a link right here at the end of the video so you can just click on it as soon as it's up and running. If you don't see the link, it's not up and running. I'm going to do a couple things. We're going to get it charged. I'm going to go to their site, get some more info. I got to find out about this seat. I don't want to damage anything by twisting it if this is the correct or incorrect method. So stay tuned. Now remember, the easiest way to keep posted of my new posts, videos, stories, whatever, is simply to like me on Facebook at facebook.com/thegadgetguru. Don't forget to subscribe right here on YouTube. And remember, if you like this video, you're going to like this one. And if you like that one, you're going to like this one too. That's it for now. I'm the Gadget Guru, Andy Parr.